How to fix Super Battle Golf is crashing on Steam. So first you want to go back to the library, right click on the game and open up the properties. Now in the launch options you want to add -dx11, then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once it's completed you can close out of Steam. Now you want to open up your browser and navigate to this link, which is in the description below. And from the redistributable table, you will need to get the 86 installer and the 64, both of them right here. And once you install these, it will require a computer restart. So right after the restart, what you need to do as well is update your GPU driver. So in case if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to use the NVIDIA app to get the driver updates. Otherwise, you can download the AMD software if you're running AMD. And once you have the latest Game Ready driver update installed, now you can close this and run Steam as admin. Right click on Steam and run as admin. And then just launch the game from your library and it should solve the crash problem for you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.